my shin bone. There. Sorry about my hairy legs. Hey, good morning, y'all. I got an exciting video for you today. So, we are at the house that we just had delivered. Oh, let me fix that. So, this is a mobile home that we bought. It's a used mobile home, but it's in really good condition. We got a really price for it. So, we bought some land out here. Look, it's really some beautiful land. And we got it delivered. And today, what we are going to do is build a back porch and front porch. Now, we probably won't get both done today because this ground is probably really rocky. It's going to be a pain in the butt, but we're going to give it the best shot we can. So let me show you. All right, so here it is. This is the back door. We are going to build probably like a, I don't know, I think these are 12 foot long, just like a 12 foot smaller deck on the back porch. And then the front porch is going to be bigger. It's over on the other side. But I'm going to set up some time lapse and let you watch what it takes to do this. What we're doing here is we got this auger. We're building digging holes. Post or concrete's going to go in there, and then 4x4 post, and that's what's going to hold the deck up. The board and I hit my shin bone. There. Sorry about my hairy legs, but it hurts really bad. Alright people, I'm dying. Look what we're doing. We are now putting concrete in our holes for the deck. So these are about 2 feet deep.
No, they're not.
Okay,
That's rock down
we want them to be 2 feet deep.
In your dreams.
I don't have water out here yet, so we had to just get it in a bucket. That's an 80-pound bag of concrete. And Greg here is
paying you to mix this concrete.
Doing the heavy labor because I am about to keel over at this moment. It is Texas and it's very humid and I apparently cannot handle that. So what we're doing is pouring it in all of the outside frame holes right here. So there's none on the inside because we're going to use what are called pyramid blocks for the inside. For the outside, you got to have railing, right? So when somebody walks out and there's the railing going like that, So you have to have these tall posts that you can connect the railing to. In order to have something that tall, it needs to be in the ground in concrete, or it'll just kind of waller out in the dirt, and then your deck will fall apart. Alright, so what you poured in, you use something like a vibrator or an agitator. This is just, I don't know what it is, a rod. Stick it down in between, what it does. If there are any air pockets in there where these
It's very simple. Can you hold this up? Sorry, let's pick it up again. Hold that pole. Okay, I'm good. Hit it hard. You're good? Okay, I gotta straighten this up. Hold on. Right, shoot straight. Tomorrow, adjustable tables, telehelper, and then lift, unscrew everything, and lift up on the tables.
how dirty I am. All over. Alright, it's been, what, 8 hours? 8 hours. It's been 8 hours. Since 9:30, it's what? 4:30 now. It's 8 hours. And I didn't get a lunch. Actually, 8 hours. I didn't get a lunch. Okay, well, I had to shove it down my throat in like 10 minutes. Okay, so let me show you what we got done. Let me show you what we got done. So, we dug 1, 2, 3, 4, let's see, 8, 9, 10 holes with the auger in the machine, right? And then we mixed 10 bags of 80-pound concrete, put in each one. You put screws in here in this side to keep this plumb whenever we leave. These don't have to be so high like the other ones because there's not a railing up against the house there. So we cut those, got it all mixed up, and oh, that took one day. So I think tomorrow we're doing the front porch, and then we can work on actually doing like the decking, which is the easy part. Really, once you get to that, it's easy. This is hard work, but it's going to be so worth it in the end. I'm telling you, it looks so good when it's done. So y'all stick around, see what comes of this crazy house on B&Bowen later.